You want a plan to never lose money? Tough. I don't have a plan for that. You will lose money. Every trader does. But once you stop being afraid of it and learn to manage those losses, that is when everything changes.
Fear of losing does not just hurt emotionally. It costs you real money. Not from bad trades you made, from good trades you never entered because fear paralyzed you. I watched a stock set up perfectly. The chart was clear. Everything was there. Fear kept me out. It ran significantly without me. That miss cost more than any losing trade ever has. Because with a loss, you get a lesson. With fear, you get nothing but regret.
But here is what nobody talks about. Getting too comfortable with losses is just as dangerous as fearing them. A trader who stops feeling the sting of a loss has lost their edge. That pain is feedback. That pain keeps you honest. Two ways traders fail: too afraid, paralysis. You miss good setups. Too relaxed, complacency. You stop respecting risk. Both paths lead to the same place: a blown account.
The goal is staying centered, confident, but not overconfident, aware of the risk, but not fearful. Here is what that looks like in practice. Before entering any trade, accept that you might lose. Define exactly how much your $250 hard stop. Make peace with that amount before you click buy. If the setup is sound, enter anyway. Not because you are fearless, because you have a plan for every outcome. If it goes against you, exit at your stop. No hope, no panic, no moving the stop further away. Just clean, disciplined execution. Be set. Look for the next setup. That is staying centered. If this is helping, hit like, share this video, and subscribe right now. Follow Alpha Breakout Lab for free trading education every week.
Here is how to build this mindset practically. Start with paper trading. Zero real money. Real market conditions. Get comfortable making decisions without the emotional weight of real losses. When you transition to real money, start small. Losses on small positions teach the same lessons as large ones without the damage. Keep a trading journal. Document every trade, why you entered, why you exited, what the chart said. Review every loss honestly. Did you follow your rules? If yes, it was a good trade with a bad outcome. If no, that is the real lesson to fix.
Every professional trader you admire has a losing trade story. Every single one. The difference is not that they stopped losing. It is that they stopped letting losses make decisions for them. Fear makes decisions. Overconfidence makes decisions. Discipline makes money.
Stay centered. Respect your losses. Learn from them. But never let them stop you from taking the next good setup when it appears. And the most important rule: if you find yourself hoping, get out of the trade immediately. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for free education every week. Follow Alpha Breakout Lab for free stock alerts every single week. Builders do not sleep until the dream is real.